Good morning class. Today we will study about 3D shapes. 3D shapes means the shapes which are having three dimensional length, width and height. Width is equal to your breadth like you are finding, and height. These are the three-dimensional shapes, or you can say 3D shapes. There are few types are given to you. I already told yesterday to make this table in your notebook. And this first one is cube. See the structure of cube, same like all the edges, all the dimensional are same. It has 6 faces. See, these are the vertex, which are the corners. These are the vertex. These are the edges. These are the edges. And next, this one are the faces. Right? Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is 6. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of faces are 6. Now edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So number of edges are 12. Now about the vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear this? Like this you have to. Faces are this one. Edges are the lines, the boundaries, and vertex are the corner. Clear? In cuboid, 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Triangular prism has 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 of the back side, that is 5th. Now edges are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Clear? And same like 6 vertices. Triangular pyramid, 4 faces, 6 edges and 4 vertices. Square pyramid, 5 faces, 8 edges and 5 vertices. This you have to learn. That in cube how many faces? 6, edges 12, vertex 8. Like this. Clear? See, an object with 3D, that is length, breadth and height, is called the three-dimensional object or simply a 3D object. Clear? An object which is having 3 dimensions, that are length, breadth and height, it is called the 3D object. Some 3D shapes include cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, triangular pyramid and square pyramid and prism. Right? Now, first question is, mention some objects seen in daily life that resemble 3D shapes. Some objects we have seen regularly in our life. First one is TV. That is the shape of cuboid. Right? Next, dice, Ludo you are playing. That is the best example of cube in your regular life. One is this pencil. It is the shape of cylinder. This is also 3D. Pencil, cylinder. Right? Next, for you are eating ice cream, that is for cone. Ice cream. Not only ice cream cone. That is the example of cone. Clear? These are the few 3D shapes which you have observed or seen every day in your life. First one, TV, that is of example of cuboid. Dice, pencil, ice cream, or you can say the balti which you are using, that one is also the shape of cylinder. Right? Like this, football, that for sphere. So many examples are there from your daily life. Now next question, identify each of the following 3D shapes. First one, all the sides edges are equal, cube. Second one, cuboid. Third one, prism. Fourth one, pyramid, but see it is square pyramid. right? Now identify the 3D shapes that each of the following objects resemble. Now book having the shapes of cuboid because its sides are not equal. Next, this one, pyramid. C, cylinder. And this dice is cube. Clear? Now fourth question, write the number of faces, edges and vertex of a cube, cuboid, triangular, pyramid, square, pyramid, triangular, prism. See, all are here. All 5 are here. Clear? You will make that table and write it there. Next, fifth question, based on the previous question, find the value of F for faces, E for edges and V for vertex for every, like cube, cuboid, triangular, prism. See, I am telling you. Now for cuboid, formula is F plus E minus V. F plus E minus V, right? So for cube, faces are 6, edges are 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 minus 8, what comes? I am writing here F plus E minus V. आप एक ऐसी ड्रॉ करोगे, डोंट ड्रॉ दिस फिगर, सिंपली एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो, ओनली दिस वन शेप्स एंड ओनली दिस. नाउ फेसेस हमें पता है 6 हैं, एजेस 12, वर्टेक्स 8. 6 plus 12, 18. 18 minus 8, 10. Now same for cuboid. Now triangular prism, 5 faces, 9 edges. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 minus 6, 8. Triangular pyramid, 4 plus 6, 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 minus 5, 8. Clear? Simply आप इसको ड्रॉ करो और ये लाइन. Nothing. Don't draw this complete table in that question. Second one. Now S1. The following image shown an incomplete net of solid shape. Identify the shape and complete the net. See, if downside the same will come. It will create the shape of triangle pyramid. क्लियर? आपको इसको सिंपली अटैच करना है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, मैच ईच 3D शेप इन द सेकेंड कॉलम टू इट्स कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग 2D फेस इन द फर्स्ट कॉलम. ये 3D शेप्स हैं, ये 2D शेप्स हैं. अब हमें इन्हें मैच करना है. नाउ सी, दिस ट्रायंगल इज हेयर इन योर पेंसिल, सो इट विल हेयर. नाउ बी, see where the shapes is same in this. ये shapes यहाँ मैच हो रही हैं. This one square is where? Here. This is here. ये circle are here. Clear? आपको देखना है कि ये 2D shapes इन 3D shapes में कहाँ कहाँ. This is very easy. Next is, the following figure shows a jumped net of 3D shapes. Rearrange, identify the 3D shapes it forms. When we cover all the, see, 1 upon over, it will become the cube. It becomes cube. Identify the 3D shapes net given below corresponding to this. It is of, see, 1 after 1, it means these types of are prism. These kind of shapes are of prism. Draw the net of triangular pyramid. Same it is this one. Clear?